Dear friends and colleagues, it's my honor and pleasure to welcome you all to the 20th Emirates Critical Care Conference ECCC to be held between 10 and 12 of May 2024 in the vibrant city of Dubai. We are honored to host the inaugural World Summit of World Federation of Intensive and Critical Care, alongside a multitude of parallel tracks and collaborations that underscore global significance of our gathering. In parallel to our conference and the World Summit, the 6th Global Network on Emergency Medicine will convene along with their Quality and Safety in Emergency Medicine course, workshop, and minor trauma workshop, in collaboration with the 6th Conference of the Emirates Nursing Association and the 19th World Federation of Critical Care Nurses World Congress, in conjunction with the 5th Regional Neurocritical Care Meeting under the umbrella of the Neurocritical Care Society, along with their ENLS course, the Emergency Neurological Life Supports, Brain Death Determination Workshop, and the Transcranial Doppler Workshop alongside in conjunction with Hayat. All in addition to the ultrasound and echocardiography course and adult extracorporeal membrane oxygenation, the ECMO course. Throughout the 3 days of the conference, you will have the opportunity to engage with over 200 distinguished speakers, sharing their expertise and insights in critical care medicine and emergency medicine through the keynote presentations, interactive panel discussions, hands-on workshops, and poster presentations and sessions. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all in Dubai. See you there.